Good morning. This morning is the morning that we're gonna fix this giant hole in my van and we're gonna put the pods. I'm so excited, I can't wait to see how I'll put it together. So I fit in some pods. That's what they look like. So they are wrapped with kind of texture. I don't know if my camera can pick it, but little texture wrap. Love it. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm feeling tipsy. I'm on the move. We're getting frisky. We're in the groove. People are smiling, and the music is on fire.
When you do it once, you're an expert the second time.
Yep.
First time, you look like a fool.
Okay.
So this one's the easiest one
Okay, cool.
because this one has the track to lean in.
Yep.
So can you poke your head through the hole and see if you can see the bottom here? Like that back corner? I'm gonna try to put the bottom one first. Okay. Are we in that back corner?
I think so. It's pretty good.
Are we in there?
Okay.
Okay. Can you take those pants?
All I see is happy people coming up to the dance floor. The beat is lifting me up, and it's lifting me higher, higher.
One's on.
No clamps in the way?
Oh, I think we're good. It's open. See how close it is, but yeah, they are made for the 144 wheelbase. I like it. This is why I couldn't put an awning window on this one. I mean, I could have, but if I was to open the door and the awning was on, that would be gone. So I have sliding window, which I'm fine. That's what I have in my current bed.
I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
This is with the window. He's looking good.
Got it? Other side.
Alright, camera.
See you on the other side. Come on, guys. You coming?
They don't walk really fast.
Here.
Sorry, we did the other side. Didn't have time to pick you up. She's in. I look good. I like it.
Telling me that I'm on the move. I'm on the move. I'm on the move. Hey, I'm moving on up.
I can't wait to pull the van out so I can have a better view, especially of this side from further, and you can see the whole thing. Good morning. So yesterday I left everything dry with the clamp on, so I'm gonna remove all this today. I'm gonna clean a little bit the window because it looks better when clean windows, and we're gonna start the framing, which I'm so excited. I think I almost have a hard time to say it because I cannot believe it, but I think we are like completely, like today's the last day that we're gonna do things behind the walls, that everything's gonna be after that visible. I tried to think about something that I may have forget, but I don't think so. So super exciting. I'm gonna start the cabinet pretty soon too, probably in the next video, and doing the electrical, all of this, which probably the less visible part, and after that, yeah, the actual cabinets. And as you can tell, I'm excited for that part, to finally have a little bit more of, you know, visual done. But the pod's looking good. There you go. Oh. That'll work. So for the people who telling me, Amy, I see that comment quite often. Amy, you don't need pods, sleeping pods. You're short. You're totally fine without it. First of all, yes, I would be fine. I would be like close to what I have in my van. My van, I touch my feet from toe to head. If I want to stretch, I have to stretch on the side or sleep on the side if I stretch. No big deal, I've done it for 7 years. But I wanted a little bit extra. So I don't remember what I have for my van. But if I was to not put the pads, for people to wonder. So I'm 5'2". From this to this is 70 inches, which is 5'10", 5 foot, yeah, without any framing. So if you put some, did I was right? Yeah, 70 inches. So without any framing. So if you add half an inch here, or half 3/4 wood, 3/4 wood, 3/4 there. We are at close to 78 now, and yeah, that's without any any pods. And with the pods, we are at 81. So again, quite a lot, and that's gonna be obviously plenty enough for me. And I just, so that was one reason. The second reason, I love the look on the outside. And third reason, when I'm going to sell this van, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, whatever, that's going to be easier to find. The next owner is not going to have to modify anything. In my current van, that's going to be hopefully not an issue, but that's going to be something that I'm going to have to tell the people, yep, I hope you're not that tall, because you're gonna have to modify the bed or really sleep like this. So yeah, I just wanted extra space, and yeah, I think it looked good. I love it. So we're gonna do the rest of the framing. Hopefully I have enough plywood to do the rest. So it's gonna have one board around here, around there, another one somewhere here, and yeah, probably another one there, so on each side. Alright, so this side is almost done. The hardest part is done, in fact. I took measurement on Chrome's van. He's got the same pod than me. And I measure how the layout was around his bed and everything to help me. It was a little bit hard to try to get everything square. So the bed is gonna have an L bracket or L-shaped piece of metal right here. The bed is gonna have a mattress. It's gonna have a topper that's gonna go all the way here. And this is going to be the opening. Obviously it's going to have to be all covered, all nicely done. So all of this needed to be all square, so we don't have any issue with space to put all my wire and everything on each side. So now I can untuck this. I can bring those wire at the right place, because I don't want anything that will be behind any metal things like this. If you do that, you need to cover your wire. So mine's gonna be behind the wood, so they're not gonna do anything. But yeah, so I need a couple more length wires there, a couple there. All right, finally all the framing is done. I still have a handful of little screw here and there. I just ran out of screw. I'm gonna go grab some tomorrow and tackle the, I think I might need like 10-20, so I'm gonna grab another pack. But yeah, so the bed's gonna go here, in between here, and the topper is gonna go all the way there. And I have like a ton of extra space here, and I'm thinking I could put like a little cover to put my phone or something. I think I could totally do that. Yeah, why not utilize all the little space? So I think some people like 100% open everything, and I don't know, I've done it like Combs van. Yeah, so it's gonna have a little groove into the bed platform, or mattress I should say. And yeah, so I'm gonna have plenty enough foot space to extend myself as much as I want. So yeah, one thing done on the list. Woohoo! Enjoy the shop? Are you happy to be in the shop? So on the list, we've done all of this. All those steps are done. Still have a lot to go. We're not gonna look at that. Do you like my van? Do you like my van, Dixie? Hmm? Do you like it? I think so. So I'm really happy with the progress. I think the next video, guys, we're gonna put the bottom of this wall there. Our Combs got a little bit of plywood black left from his van build, so I'm gonna use that for this section. It's under the bed, it's in the garage. Nobody's gonna know it's a little bit different. I mean, yeah, all guys gonna know that's a little bit different of the rest of the van build, but in terms of colors and all this, but yeah, nobody's gonna know. And yeah, after that, there's your car and the rest of the cabinet. Finally, guys, the fun part starting very soon. I hope so, because yep, I'm happy. So I think that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video and leave you with Miss Kitty, obviously. She's back in the van, so hello, Miss Kitty. It's getting warmer, eh? You cooling yourself? We don't want to see that. Come on. Why are you showing us? You want to play? You want to play? This is what you want. So this is a cooling mat with just a body weight to kind of get colder. I know, it seems to work, eh? You seem to like it. You wanna give us a little kiss? You wanna give us a little kiss, kitty? Hmm? You wanna kiss today? Ah, there you go. I knew we'd get some kisses. Aw, thank you so much.